Today we are making homemade deep-fried pumpkin blossoms. Here my mom is arranging them into kind of a patty, and then she is putting on a slice of cheese, and now she is making another patty on top, so kind of like a little blossom sandwich. I picked these blossoms this morning and we cut and cleaned them, and now we are making them into a patty. Now you take saltine crackers and crush them up and pour them into a bowl. You can use a food processor or blender to do this. We just do it the old-fashioned way by hand. Here my mom is crushing them up a little bit more just to get them a bit more finer. If you use a food processor, you don't have to do that. Now we are whisking up some of our farm fresh eggs. And you dip your patty into the egg wash. Let the excess drip off a little bit, and then put it into the cracker crumbs. Smush it down a little bit, flip it over, and then scoop on some of those cracker crumbs that are to the side and gently pat them on. Shake off the excess and get your lard or oil ready. This is our lard from our Mangolistas. Just look at how white and beautiful that lard is. So it is melting here. And if you put in some of those excess cracker crumbs, drop it in that grease, and if they're sizzling, that's when you know your grease is ready. Gently sit them down in your oil so you don't get splattered, and let them cook on each side until they are golden brown. Use a spatula and a fork to flip them over. This one kind of got hung on the other one. Flip it over. See that nice golden brown color. Now we flip that one over also, and let that side cook for a little bit longer. Now these are ready. They look about like a tenderloin, and man, they are delicious. Okay, so now you can eat these just like a tenderloin, either just like that or on a sandwich. What are some of your favorite family recipes that some people will find a bit odd but are very good? Thanks for watching, and please follow for more. Hope you enjoyed.